In the field of smart wearable devices, as a basic product, smart bracelets have been favored by many users due to their long battery life and light wearing experience. At the same time, it is also a good substitute for smart watches for users with limited budgets. The Huawei Band 8 just released by Huawei is such a product. Nowadays, the large screen of smart bracelets has become the mainstream trend. It is true that the larger the screen, the better it is in terms of information display, interaction and functional experience. It is also inevitable that the volume and thickness will also increase greatly. In terms of size, it can be called a small smartwatch, but for many consumers, the reason for choosing a smart bracelet is because of the light wearing experience and also needs a large screen to ensure rich functions. Can fish and bear's paw have both? After experiencing the Huawei Band 8 for a period of time, let me share my views with you. In fact, the previous generation of Huawei Band 7 is already quite good in terms of volume control. For the first time, the thickness of the full-screen bracelet has been reduced to within 10 mm. The Huawei Band 8 reduces the thickness to 8.99 mm and the body weight to 14 grams. You must know that this is done without reducing the screen and battery life experience. There is no doubt that in the full-screen smart bracelet market, Huawei Band 8 has achieved ceiling-level performance. The appearance of Huawei Band 8 continues the square dial design. The style is simple but also attractive. It is very important that it is versatile for the style of clothing. If you look closely, there is 2.5D curved surface treatment between the edge of the screen and the frame. With a screen-to-body ratio of up to 65%, there is no lack of refinement after the screen is turned on. The screen is equipped with a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 368 by 194. The display effect is quite delicate, and the brightness of the screen is relatively high, and the look and feel is still clear under direct sunlight outdoors. Thanks to the large screen, notification messages can be displayed on one screen, avoiding the embarrassment of small screen bracelets needing marquees to display long notifications. With a large screen, it is natural not to be wasted. The dial market provides 10,000 plus different watch faces and can also transfer photos from the phone to the bracelet to form a custom dial. At the same time, Huawei Band 8 also supports wearing a dial, which can generate a suitable style of dial according to different outfits every day. In terms of richness of personalization, it is no longer inferior to smart watches, which is worthy of praise. The wristband is made of TPU material, and the length is not bad. This time, it is the first time to add antibacterial ions. There will be no sweat residue after daily experience, and there is no need to worry about allergies with environmentally friendly materials. Health monitoring is the basic function of smart bracelets, but the experience between different products is still quite large, thanks to Huawei's huge range of smart wearable products and its self-built sports health laboratory, even if it is an entry-level product such as a bracelet, and it also has high-precision algorithm support. As mentioned earlier, sleep monitoring is an important usage scenario for bracelet products. The Huawei TruSleep 3.0 sleep monitoring technology equipped with Huawei Band 8 can record falling asleep and waking up. Compared with the previous generation, it has improved accuracy and can be more scientific. Determine the core factors that affect sleep and give scientific suggestions to help you improve. In terms of heart rate monitoring technology, the accuracy of heart rate monitoring has also been upgraded. Through the Sports Health app, you can view the resting heart rate change curve in the past week. At the same time, it supports the blood oxygen automatic detection function. When low blood oxygen levels occur, it will automatically alarm and give the elders at home. It will be more reassuring to use. Huawei Band 8 supports up to 100 sports mode monitoring this time, basically covering mainstream common sports. I personally like the automatic recognition function of sports status, which will automatically determine whether it is running or walking, which saves a lot of trouble. Huawei Band 8 is equipped with Harmony OS 3.1, and the UI style is more integrated with the mobile phone. At the same time, in terms of interaction, a smart negative screen has also been added. Swipe to the right to display information such as to-do itineraries, express delivery, and flights. The battery life is even more impressive. The battery life of up to 14 days is very good, but many friends should be like me. The price of too long battery life is often forgetting to charge, but Huawei Band 8 is still very sincere in fast charging. It is efficient, it can be used for 2 days after charging for 5 minutes, and it can be fully charged in 45 minutes. On the whole, Huawei is very aware of the pain points of wristband users and continues to make subtractions in size and weight to create a light and thin experience advantage among similar products. While realizing these basics, it does not forget to add functions. Carefully polish the monitoring accuracy of sports health. Coupled with the Harmony OS ecological bonus, Huawei Band 8 is a smart wearable product that has both fish and bear's paw. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.